Hey, it's Corbin here from Superior Exterior Cleaning. So we're out here at Seppelsfield Winery doing some exterior cleaning for them, maintaining their surfaces, making them look good and also safe. So if you look down at these pavers, not only are they unsightly with all the mould and moss, they're also really slippery. The maintenance managers asked us to give these a good clean, so we're going to high pressure clean them and then we're going to treat them for mould so that they stay cleaner for longer and so that mould doesn't come back anywhere near as quick. So high pressure clean, mould treatment, and it'll be looking a lot better. So stay tuned for the end result.
Alright, so we're going to kick things off with a high pressure clean. So you can see us using the surface cleaner here. So this surface cleaner effectively removes all that mould, moss, dirt and grime and allows us to clean nice and thoroughly. So once we finish that high pressure clean, we're going to rinse the surface off. Just going to rinse off all that muddy water so that we've got a nice clean canvas to apply our mould treatment. Just applying the mould treatment here. So this is a really important step. It really brightens up the surface. It kills any mould spores, algae, and it allows the surface to stay cleaner for a lot longer. And we're going to do one more rewash, just getting rid of any last mould, and then just tidying up the surface, making it nice and even. And then a final rinse, so rinsing it all off.
So now that we've finished the cleaning, check out the end result. So you can see the pavers have been cleaned up nicely, all the mould and moss has been removed, and that slipperiness is gone now. So good traction on these pavers now, so it's no longer a safety hazard for the staff or the patrons at the winery. If you need a reliable, thorough exterior cleaning service, give us a call at Superior Exterior Cleaning, 0475 399 746. As you can see, there's quite a few steps involved to get a good result. It's not just simply spraying a little bit of water around. So we've got professional equipment, we've got the process down pat, and if you want a great result, reliability, come to us, Superior Exterior Cleaning.